Hi, my name is Kyle, and this Tech Talk is about eye tracking in VR. What is it? Eye tracking represents the next generation of VR. Currently, VR headsets can detect head movement and rotation, but have no idea where you're actually looking in the virtual scene. With eye tracking, data such as eye position, look direction, and blinks could be sent to the software to be used by developers in many different ways, such as these listed here. Foveated rendering, which is a technique for reducing the load on the computer by focusing resources on the part of the screen being looked at. Detecting eye contact with virtual entities, such as a virtual character in the scene, which can lead to highly immersive experiences. Navigating menus simply by looking at the option you wish to select and pressing a button. Adding realistic eye movement on a virtual avatar, which would lead to highly realistic social encounters in VR. And other applications involving the analytics side of eye tracking, such as analyzing where the user spends the most time looking in a particular application, such as a virtual store. These are some challenges being faced by the researchers of this technology. Eye tracking not only needs to be fast, accurate, and consistent, but also cheap in order to be viable on the market. In order to be useful in some of the applications mentioned earlier, eye tracking needs to send eye position data about 120 times a second and be consistent in doing so. For example, if there's a mistake and the application is using foveated rendering, the area of the screen you're looking at could suddenly go out of focus or be very low resolution, which would be unpleasant to look at. The development of eye tracking is being spearheaded by three companies: Fove, Tobii, and Seven Invensun. Each company took a different approach to developing a product for consumer release. Fove made their own virtual reality headset with eye tracking and are selling it for $600, which is the same price as the HTC Vive. Tobii is working with major VR headset manufacturers to integrate eye tracking directly into existing headsets. Seven Invensun made a standalone module that could be attached to the HTC Vive to enable eye tracking, but it is quite expensive at $220 for the module. Here's my sources, and thank you for watching.